This is the kind of framing technique that quietly makes a design look 10 times more professional. Today, how to create layered editorial compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start by inserting one large portrait frame and position it slightly off-center to create an editorial feel. Upload your image and drag it inside, adjusting the crop carefully to emphasize the subject. Add 2 smaller supporting frames nearby to build visual rhythm. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create subtle layered depth. Select the background and apply a muted beige or charcoal gradient for a premium atmosphere.